Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you are very well. Hey love you all and you love us so beautiful and amazing ideas for decorations. And come to our YouTube channel Decortalk. Videos we are uploaded for you, and this video is all about the fabulous home decor designs. Fabulous home decor are stunning videos, are amazing ideas, and living room, fabulous living room designs, and different topics we are uploaded for you. Nature's heavens bring the outdoor by incorporating natural elements. Consider using wooden furnitures and wicket baskets and potted plants to create a fresh and organic atmosphere. Large window or sheer curtains allow natural lights to fill this space, making it feel airy and vibrant. Space of a small, make the most of the available space by using smart furniture solution. Choose multifunctional spaces such as variable space by using smart elegance furniture storage and ottomans or nesting tables to maximize storage while maintaining a clean and organized look. Lighter colors and mirrors can also help create an illusion of a large space. Remember the key to well decorated living room and home drawing room, dining rooms like fabulous home decors are totally topics is to create a space that reflect your personal style and make you feel at home. Or prefer a cozy retreat, a modern century, or a style that your imaginations guide you in creating living rooms that you will love spending time. So let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.